Say bad mind I go kill them, and envious it I go mad them. Tell them to free up them conscience and make Rastafari them. Hey, hey, me say you must bad mind and you must grudgeful. Your heart have to clean and you must not corrupt. Your heart have to clean and you must not corrupt. Say mind I go them and envious it I go mad them. Tell them to free up them conscience and tell Rastafari. What's up against people, my family? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? My Speak My Mind family, what's up? You don't know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. Life is a Mission TV, my backup channel. If you have not yet subscribed, go hit that subscription button now. Please and thanks. And remember, in the comment section, you have Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube channel. Pin Tamika Douglas TV down the pin also. Today is the last day of giving them that 10 subscription a week, and I think they need like one need 4 and one need 3 to reach that 10 subscription for the week. And then new week start tomorrow. So just do it now, people. Please and thanks. Like nah, cost $1, you know. Like, share, subscribe, comment. No cost no not even a cent. You understand? Yeah man, just give them a subscription, and don't just give them a subscription. I want to know watch them video too, because them are gonna need the watch time also. You understand me? I said to you, I just support, you know. That's what we are here for, to support who really need the support to make a step forward in life. Not just people who want the support to just step right there and stop right there because them feel like them reach them goal. You understand? And when them falter along the way, them want to reach out back to you again. When you they done help them make the preparation where them can set foot on a proper journey. You understand me? I said to you, and because them get comfortable and them get careless, them stop along the way and want you to reach out again. No. And that's why I say, reach out to the needy and not the greedy. Because you see the greedy, I go always feel like them needy. And I want them want, and I need them needy. So I want to do, like, share, subscribe. People, I don't know, say right now, you know, I want trending somebody have, you know. And the person will love trend. So, you know, someone else stomach was sick at times. But right now, the other side of diaspora go on, it's just all about she because this is what she wants. You understand? If I'm not over here, so over there, so you hear her name a call and she like that. That's what she enjoy. And where she tell herself she find out this is the way to make the money. And she's so much in need of money at this time and age. Money cannot be too much, but at this time and age, and social media money, you shouldn't be the way you is now. Like, you know, you just crave for it, so you will do anything. And you come out here with the same content. Just before I do this video, me and she come out across the eat down a country, and the same way, the same suck, this suck, lollipop, kiss out me this, and the same way, the same thing every day. Alright? I am not going to carry that cuss every day on any video. If there's even a video that she have done that I need to bring forward, those type of suck and kiss and lollipop, I am not going to play it anymore. Despite probably, you know, some part of your content might in between, because she will talk about XYZ and she kiss out me, lick out me, you know, so you might get that little part there night. But where she under that road of rapidly cursing and talking about those suck and lollipop and kiss out and turn me upside down and labba this and labba that and juice and, you know, me not gonna play it. But once she come out here with certain foolishness, I'm going to bring it come, just like this one, where she are claiming to say, as she have been saying from the other day, you know, Pastor Eliston make Dana buy him out with money, and oh, Pastor Eliston to do that after a man of God, and see you know, she in this video she talk how it's like Dana actually a bully Pastor Eliston to talk what she want to hear, because it's coming like a pay, she pay him, you know, to predict her future. She go on with one bag of sitting in this video, yeah. So I me come out to play, but just before I play it, I want to read something from that unfamous talked about platform we named Same So TV, where we know aka, you know, there is an article here that said, you are right about what I don't know. I'm just reading this article. You are right that most of the money is going right back into getting the gala done. Between Eventbrite and the venue, it's probably close to 20K. Keep in mind, Amazura has the bar, so no money there. I noticed that this event is not an Amazura event calendar for July. Does that mean it's not yet paid for? You're asking a question, or you know it's not paid for. Anyway, she have a question sign there. Also, Dana said it's a 21 plus, but they will make an exception for her and make it 18 and up. Is it not this illegal and carries a penalty of a large fine and possible jail time? Why does Amazura website state 21 plus with valid state ID, only no exception due to New York alcohol state law? This might be a bigger mess than meet the eye. So why are you concerned? Alright, people, this article, I get this article, the thing that say hide my ID. So I don't know what to say, but reading this is the identical person that we know, and the person who we are saying own this channel, T-Gal. You know, listen what write and how I read it? Nobody writes and makes statement like this, like she. So it's no guess and spell now who write this, you know. This write exactly like how we know T-Gal will write. But anyway, we're not going to worry. As I said, the whole of you have a heart attack. The whole of you. You see, 99, I'm going to say something to you. I beg you to do something for me. Please, anybody hear this video, especially who has her private number as close friend and listen this video, 99, your grand entry song, entering this meet and greet, when you arrive and you hit that door on the red carpet, your grand entry song should be, them catch heart attack, them catch heart attack, them catch heart attack, you know, see the whole of them are idiot, them catch heart attack. Yes, that should be your grand entry song. Anybody out there will have a personal number where is our close friend where can take up phone and call her, because I not do it, I not do them something. Only just call her and tell her, I say, speak my mind. I beg her to request that as our grand entry song. You understand? Yes, man. Please and thanks. On to the main video. So people, in this video basically, she is saying 99 is fake. In the sense that 99 fake her Christianity. 99 did not baptize. 99 never dipped in the water like she when she dipped in the water 2012. And this is the person that Mr. Pastor Eliston, and she not calling him no Pastor Eliston. She not calling him a pastor. His name is Eliston. You understand? He's mixing himself with. And she can't believe a man of God. Like she trying to say, stoop to this woman. You understand what I say? Because of money. Oh, you know, say 99 never baptized. Eh? Oh, you know. And if so be the case, what that have to do with you? You know what, you want to dip in the water and so want to baptize on the people of God. I want to worse off and the person will just go to church normally. We probably can't even make up them mind to baptize because them their own people like Uno with low energy. Because someone who in a church and so on baptized, when people come round, they give themselves and them life to the Lord, is a turn off, Because when me come to the church as a person where is a Ruralian and come in and observe and cut my ears and listen and use my eye and observe, things when me soon do and say, you understand, against own, we claim to say are Christian because baptized, it turned me off. But when me say whether the woman baptized, dip in a water, dip in a ice, put in a fridge or whatsoever, what that have to do with you? You never seen a pastor or no church a turn her away yet? You ever see that yet? No. The last time when I come with a fabricated story, how the pastor run out down out of church and then I can't go back to the church. Because of, our ways that she have. She turn herself against God and the church. We don't know lie herself. You know, listen.
So 99, you're being
After
fake.
this morning, new video come out in a
You're being
topic
fake.
of Dana again.
Acting so self-righteous.
So she get dream of this
drawing
big black
down
woman.
people clothes, if it's too short, fixing people
Yo.
waist and all kind of stuff.
Meet and greet, I got
They know
breed
what
you.
kind of hypocritical,
You must have the baby there,
concealing them the type of way that you come out here behave. And you wasn't even deep in the water.
I'm not listening out the door, me the wind strong and she a talk low.
On Easter Sunday. And I've been going to church all my life.
Cause this sound like she just wake up, so the voice not strong.
And come to find out you have never been baptized. And you were coming out here, people thought that you were a Christian. And you was a Christian. Me is a turn back. Me is a backslide a little bit to the left. But me not fully come to church. Then how is it me not understand you come out here? Then Mr. Eliston, you could tell me say all that rotted clad time. Me not calling a pastor. You have been advising somebody and preaching over them all these years. And she wasn't a Christian? Then, and she wasn't.
Oh, all this becomes your problem. Oh, this becomes your problem. Whether she a Christian. You know, see pastor pan pulpit I do all kind of sitting. Eh? You know, see pastor with own church, with big congregation, all kind of allegation come out against them. You know, see pastor find guilty of things. So all that business is your business, your problem. Why are you so concerned? Why are you concerned about somebody you don't like? Why are you concerned about somebody who use a big deal of? Or a bigger deal done? Why? Me couldn't know say me despise that person there and me have myself bigger than that person there and me a talk about that person there. In that case, the person supposed to talk about me because I'm me a the star. And me not a falling star, me is a sitting star in the sky. When you look for me, you see it says a satellite, the way me a shine bright from the distance. You ever look up in the and you say, right, the star the bright, and somebody with more experience and you say, no man, I'm a star, that is a satellite. Because you're not going to see the star shine so bright from the distance. But the way you a star is calling to you, you shine bright like a satellite. So on 99 should I call your name? Every day you get up on 99 name you call. Just before me do that video, ya people, me book a video again and she now one big old black seat, not a big black seat, one black seat with a zipping at the front. Every day she come, she look on, look her breast pretty. Look on my breast, look here, look her skin pretty, look her face, look on cheekbone, look on nose, look, but you're not show the swelling on your arm with black and blue. The swelling with the arm of your arm with black and blue, you're not showing it. You're not showing your skin. You're not showing up at the top of your breast where you claim it's so pretty. Your cheekbone, your face. What about the swelling on your arm with black and blue? Like bees or what bite your arm there, or it coming like said somebody did a beat your arm underneath your arm. Eh? You know your body shame people. Look how on your arm look, black and blue. And swell up. Because most black and blue, you black and blue, you know, can't fat that, you know. Because it's fat and discolored. Like when clothes bad color.
The Christian coming out here condemning people couple of them clothes with them are wear, and all this time you're focusing on that girl coming to our yard taking money. Now I realize it's only the money that fly up in your head. You betray God, sir.
Wow.
Do you know that you
Him
need
still
to
a
go down
serve
on a
God, so I won't
7 day,
betray
you
God.
need to go
God,
on
if
a
you was
30-day
a
fasting
Christian as
for
calling to
what
you and
you have
you're
been
not a Christian
concealing?
anymore, I won't betray God.
Coming on
No must
social
you.
media preaching for somebody, going down there praying and predicting over your life, over somebody's life, and knowing that this girl never baptized
Continue to style her.
because of money and your licky
She
licky
have no
self.
problem.
So your soul got out. Your soul got words for money when God words supposed to be free. I wonder why she never touched all these years to get baptized by you. Because all this known it was a fraud and deceiving the people. Know that it was wrong because I called you a few months ago and I tell her to stop it. When she was going to Mexico or whatever, I said don't take the money from her.
Why?
But I have get a glimpse on the video that taken place yesterday. I haven't got the full, but I saw some clipping that was highlighted from a different page. Sir, I am ashamed of you and disappointed in you as a man of God.
You're not shame of yourself to take 5 man in 4 months. At 51 years old, you're worse than the woman them run a back road and rip on the road. You change 5 man in 4 months. Shame of yourself, man. Pastor Eliston not have you for answer to. Dana not have you for answer to. Nobody out here have you to answer to. The same person we are going to refuse you, and them we have to answer to. So what you have to do is line up for your refusal. You understand? That's what you have to do. Because you are not the person anyone is going to answer to on that judgment day. So just line up for your refusal. That you have to do.
And you need to go to God and sow some sort of sacrifice for deceiving the world that look up to you and the amount of people who call you to pray for them and you get money from them and take it because you're licky licky. It looked like it two of you was playing games and working together based on what I saw. Because the one Dana make one piece of ass mockery out of you on social media yesterday. While you were predicting to the girl that she was talking to you, at the first me ever see somebody speak to a pastor like that. When you always speaking to a pastor, you always have a little respect.
So you never have no respect when the pastor give you back your money. Right in front of the church. Well, I never know if the pastor was standing there because you never show any individual. We were just hearing the harder. The camera was on you. But, you know, utterance from your mouth towards the pastor, despite he was not probably in the presence of you at the time, and you were just talking to his members who you gave the money to, who carried the money back to give you. That is disrespect. You don't have to, in the presence of someone, to respect them or disrespect them. You hear them say? Front a dog and miss a dog. Back a dog and miss a dog. What you think that? You're the back of the dog and you talk bad things and disrespect you, disrespect him. You don't need for them in front of the dog to say, oh Shaggy, oh Poodle, oh no. You don't have to.
But the girl not have no respect for you. She was making a mockery
You're
out
this
of you.
slut calling
Even at
people
the
gal.
nerve you push up her mouth, I was so
So when you call all them your
to
people,
see.
when you call all them your people all kind of name now, and other people come on your video whether for the first time, second time, or just joining you, or is over here because them did get attracted to something, but because them here you come now and you talk about, or you call her she one name out of, like how the one that come tell me say she's a mother too, and me I talk about woman whom don't bless and she go stop follow me. Remember now, you're one blessed because you say you get kids. But it is a problem to you. But this is what me I say. You come now, somebody come now and hear all me call she all her name now. And them are going in my comment section and make it look as if, okay, I am disappointed in you. You're not disappointed in Marcia. Yeah, man, because I saw them stay, man. Them love jumping in your comment when them hear you say something. But them not listen to the videos like you, them a listen to hear what you talk. Them not listen to the video to try comparing and get an understanding of what you're talking about and who you're talking about. And this is the same reason why I do what I do when I am dissecting a video, because I want you people to hear what these people are saying and don't feel like I am the one who come out here and just make up with me and make up and talk about and say she say him say it's no on hear it to no own ears, and then I dissect what they say, but you still come in the comment like you are disappointed in what I am saying. I mean, I talk the real people them, you know, because as I said, these type of people are people who either just join or probably haters them, put it that way there.
How the girl push up her mouth after you. The whole time you talk, she's mocking you and want you to go straight to the point. What a disturbing, disgusting girl you is, Dana. You are nobody. God is going to fix you one of these days. Can you imagine you carry a man of God?
God already fix you, you know. God fix you back to back for about 8 months straight. And you still not don't get fixed yet. Probably him just give you a breeze. You know, to see if you can get yourself and your act together before you have to put the whip again across your back. God already fix you. Look how much you have been through in the past 8 months. And no man do that. And no man do that, you know. But it's what you have done to man. The father of man punish you. You understand? And no man do all what happened to you, you know. It's what you have done to mankind. The father of mankind punish you. So you sit down and wait for God punish 99. Sit down and wait. If him did a punish her and punish her a long time, you know, say a straight elevation and make a reach her. You understand? Because all who know out here talk, when God say yes, no man can say no. So you could have talk to no tonsils swell up. Talk to no saliva in no mouth. When God say yes, none of you can say no.
Into your little scheming and carry the man on social media making a mockery out of him. Eh? Look at your lips, pushing up your lip off of the man, mocking the man. Oh, nobody now speak about that when it because
Everything on soon interpreted phone away. Because on a mind reader. On a mind reader, so everything 99 they wanna read it phone away.
And I tell a man to go right to the point. I have never seen me would have never talked to Bishop Morgan like that. Me could have never got to
because you're not a privilege to talk to Bishop Morgan. You can't go against Bishop Morgan pulpit.
Pay somebody money and you give him up money.
You have to lay with Bishop Morgan at the car park.
You want the man to tell you exactly you want to hear if he say if boast and show off and say the ticket them sold out. Like you want the man to say yes, you're special. It's only you alone.
And why you can't? You keep saying this pressure. And then you come and you say sometime, you know, you mispronounce the words because you're in. Right now you're in no feelings, you know. And it's pressure. I think it's special. I never know so pressure. Petrol you want to say? You continue to call and pronounce this word, pressure. Right now you're in a temper. Basically you're not cussing. So oh you mispronounce the word. Because you say that's why most of you mispronounce, you know. You go slow and like you chat fast and a build your argument as you go along. You take your time and I think what you say and I talk slow. But you still continue to say pressure. It's special. Then you say Dana can't pronounce word. But the thing is, Dana don't need Pastor Eliston to come out here come say our ticket sell off. It is simple, you know. If 500 tickets put out on the website, you go on the website, you can know if tickets sold out on the website or not. You don't need nobody to come tell if it's sold out. Because when you go up on the website, there won't be no ticket. until them replace ticket. And if them put another 500 on the website, and if it's sold out, you go up on the website, and you try to buy a ticket, and there is no ticket, that simply means I sold it sold. What you want to say? I them take back off the ticket off the website to say the place sold out? Okay. At the end of the day, they said will be no physical ticket at the gate. Despite in anything you can have changes. But at the same time, the result will show. The result is going to show when you reach and see the numbers of people. If there was a lie told about the event ticket has been sold out on the website or not, because he's going to see the number of people. And just like the pudding and the cake, you have people who might not able to go because of one reason or the other. You understand? But at the same time, they want to support her, which this is what Uno want also. And Uno can't get it. I want to see it happen day in, day out, over and over with this woman, with whatever she done. You know, people just support in just buying ticket. Just like when you have people just buy 4, 5, 2, 3 ticket and give away to people who might, you know, not say can't afford a ticket, but is on a little strain of getting a ticket, or probably would glad to get the ticket because they already has a dress that they, as me said the other day, they wear that dress one time already and they can go back for that dress because it is a quality dress. It's not a quantity dress like your dress, them what you'd have, where as you wear them one time and put them down, them start shrink up with the time and age. You understand? Them start turn bad color, the material not good, so the color they start change color. These people has quality dress that they worn one time to a certain function or somewhere where them can rally back to, and probably it's all a year, 2 years ago them have it, but it still fit because them size no move. You understand? So the cost of going to the meet and greet won't be much for them. You understand? So if them get a ticket, they would be glad. Instead of going to them pocket, who wouldn't glad if instead of going to my pocket? If somebody have it more than me over here, so and buy me something, and me can save my one, me save it. It's not like me I can be a scumming or sit down and walk and beg people it when me can go buy one. So you sit down and fret about the woman ticket them. So I know not have a heart attack when you reach at the place then.
That Satan gives some of the best gift out there, but them don't last.
You know worry about that a gift, man. You never get none and you no last.
That Satan give. So why you think all them rap artists there get through life, them soul to the devil, and then at the end of them journey, them dead tragedy with not even a dollar upon them sometime? Why you come past social media then and making a mockery out of the people them? One day the planka people them where you call planka is gonna see right through you, and them going to de-planka themselves. You don't have no respect, Dana.
I wish. Marcy, I wish.
You're greedy for money and you're greedy for fame. And money shall be your downfall.
That you wish, my when you die for the day when the plank back off, that will never happen.
Because you carried the man past social media yesterday and you take your mouth and me know say
When you die for the plank support jump ship, it never
never
happen.
seen nobody come past social media pan video come push up their mouth after one pastor man like that. One of the reasons why, because you give him so much money, if you come up and predict things over your life when nothing goes up. Where am I telling you nothing goes up? You understand?
So on the ear, she actually saying I pay 99, I pay Pastor Eliston to come and predict things over our life when I go so. So I am saying, if somebody are gonna predict something by false pretend or fake about me, say you know, say 3 years time you gonna own one house down the road there, so, and eventually 3 years time I own the house. Is that me did pay him to predict it? Because if you predict something, you know, for the future and it happen, me where I predict it, me can't collect your money for predict it, you know, because it never must happen, you know. You understand? So if me I come and predict something, basically you must did have the house already. But 3 years time you come and you say, yeah, I think me really get the house, you know, way. All we are with Dana right now, with Pastor Eliston did predict, say Father God I go use her as a tool, as one of his vessel to do his job. All these things that is happening day on top of day, weeks on top of weeks, months on top of months that she have been doing. Would Pastor Eliston aware of all these things? To come out here and predict? Come on now, make it make sense. Why would I pay somebody to predict? Make false prediction? May I try understand what you are trying to say? That's why I try to fix it for you, you know. Because I don't understand what you say. Freaking asshole.
Because I tell us a Satan give good gift too. A Satan carries on good gift out there right now. But they are temporarily. They are not permanent. Because God
I use a woman of Satan and you not get no gift. You saw yourself? Use a woman of Satan and you not get no gift. Can you imagine? Use a woman of Satan and Satan and give you a gift and you not get none. Something wrong with you. Deeply wrong with you.
Them not just go on and sing. So as soon as them don't sing, them have to make sure so them should tie up with something. They watch the gospel artists them.
You always know the evil part of life. Why you always know them part of life there? You don't know nothing about godly people and what God do. It's always the opposite.
God love a challenge. That is one of the reasons why I pick up the disciple them who decided to walk with him. Him not pick up no punk. Him pick up people who are challenged, who wasn't of God. I want to say yes, me can't clean up anybody, but you don't want to clean up. How dare you?
And he refuse to clean up you.
Pastor Eliston, you told him you can tell her from last year.
God refuse to clean up you. That's all the devil that give a gift and you can't get none. And I him you serve.
Money and false prophecy over her life. This is not, you know, said her type of things where she going on with is not natural. You know that yourself.
You feel like you mix up in them kind of bangarang there. You feel like everybody mix up in it. You feel like everybody's success come through bangarang. You understand? But if everybody's success come through bangarang, you believe in this bangarang so much. You understand that you know the best man in Africa. You say it, not me. And you perform so much of these things in your house on a joke and content wise, which it's strongly, it's your belief. Probably that's why so much cross is taking in the 8 months, you know. All those things that you did perform and candle lighting and rap head and all kind of thing. Where did you perform in your house sometime? And I go on like it's a joke. It was something serious. And I saw the cross is turned down by your man. Yeah, man. Because Father God see who you did that worship. Father God see who you did that worship.
Look on social media, you make woman sit down there. Look how kill this girl. I push him out for you and claim say you're a big pastor. And travel United States and all over the place. And you make a woman sit down on them big veranda.
Burn you in.
And I push up them out for you. And I
burn you in.
Like that. Like say
So Pastor Morgan now come at your place kind of and if you accommodate him.
Like when talk to him boy them in the yard. Me don't want to hear nothing more. Me want to hear
Pastor Morgan don't want to left your yard with no roach in his pocket.
Me don't want to hear you tell me say rain a go fall tomorrow. Tell me say the sun.
So you're jealous of Pastor come at down a yard.
Rain is going to fall on the day when me I keep me gala. Me want to tell me say it's going to be bright all day. People are going to show up by the hundreds and the thousands and that you want to hear.
Ticket sale already show that. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. Ticket sale already show you that. And that's a good thing about it. When you sold pre-sold or you sell only on website. You understand? Because you can see how your ticket sales are going. So you know. And this is why I always tell people, so when you do fish fry and cake sale and them something there, that's the best way to go. Try to know you have a cut-off time. You go beyond that, you know, for people who walk in, people who you never see before, for introduce to your party or whatever, you keep your fish fry, your cake sale. But your regular people who you see and encounter with every day, the best way to do it, you have a book and you get a list and you give them a ticket and you write down them names, say them did get a ticket and you write down them name and them address. They have to write them address, them phone number. So if them forgot, say you have a day where you say, okay, payment for the cake sale ticket or the fish fry ticket is just like how Gabby them have for them cake sale, and it's a third, and them I say them want to make an order by the 28th. Yes. So you know, so when the 28th come now, you see how much people come in with how much money and how much people you get ticket out of the amount we come in, and then now you start make 2 calls between the 28th and the 29th to the people them to make them know. So remember, you know, to the final day for collect, you know, what you do. So it's either them go cancel or them I say, alright, I'm gonna send the money come later because I never remember. So you give them a reminder. So basically the woman know how her ticket sale go. So what she need Pastor Eliston to tell her say hundreds and thousands of people are come there for. She know how much tickets she sell. You understand? And you can't sell 10,000 tickets and I expect 20,000 people. Well, in some instance, if people can't get tickets to buy and want to come, them still are going to turn up because them feel like there's a way I go create for them can go in same way. We know that. Because that's something especially locally on a regular basis. So what you say? She don't need Pastor Eliston to tell her tens and thousands of people are come to the ticket sale already are show now. Remember the first allotment of tickets has already sold out, you know. And a second set put up and supposed to, well I don't know if by now them sold out, but supposed to sold out already that you have all VIP that was requested. And it was like, you know, a contemplation about having it or don't having it. And the request is coming in so heavily for it that them have to give all a VIP area at a dearer cost. And what you talking about, Marcia? Marcia, this is not like a flaw settings like your gala, Marcia. Marcia, this don't wanna be like not celebrity thing, Marcia. This a celebrity thing, Marcia. Unlike you, where they go on like a wannabe celebrity and feel like people are going to fly from all over in America, different states. People are going to come from Africa, Nigeria to come and support you. And a little African man who live in America, you show him up on camera, oh, this is my African friend, like an African fly from and come at your gala after the man live in America and come there with his wife. This is a real celebrity. This is not a one-day celebrity party I keep. And the Planka Nation have them purse. And who not have them purse, I get assistance from the Planka Nation. We have them purse. You know, so one ticket I give you in a live. How are you, Marcia? This is not a makeshift event, Marcia. This is a real put together event, Marcia. This is not a Bogo Yaga event when Dana reach shot take off her shoes, Marcia. Because you talk about Yaga look for who walk in a boot and over boot this and over boot that and over just fit them. Remember you reach your gala in a Marcia and you're in your car and drive from your yard to gala, and you're supposed to have on your shoes, or if you even never have on your shoes, when you reach, you put on back your shoes to step into the gala. As you reach the gala, you know, you have to kick off the boot, Marcia. Because the boot never comfortable on your foot, Marcia. You have much days and weeks and months, Marcia, to get yourself and adjust yourself to be comfortable, Marcia, in your boot. Find a boot where you're comfortable in a Marcia. But you want to come prove so you're in a heels and you can walk in a heels, Marcia. I don't know nobody tell you to kick off your boot, Marcia. I don't know nobody to make your boot uncomfortable to your, Marcia. So why now you want to come park up? This guy's like a mad man. He's already one. You know? If you watch who for boot I go bun them or who can walk in a heels or whatever. You couldn't walk in a year one, Marcia. You couldn't walk in a year one and you show the public that and the public talk about it. Marcia, remember as you reach the gala door, the first thing that you do, you know. You never spend 2 minutes and greet the little people them in front of you. Boy, I have to take off his right boot here, you know. I have to take off his right boot here. I have to take off his right boot here. And you flick off the boot fast. So why you want to go and meet and greet, go watch people walking at ease when you couldn't walk in a yard?
Come from Butterfoot girl. Eh? And you come at disrespect.
You're a cranny one. She a Butterfoot, but you're the cranny one. Chronic. We not in a nothing with no cranny. Curly, you are chronic. Planka Nation not in a nothing with no chronic. Planka Bass not in a nothing with no chronic. Hadata Madio. Hadata Madio. Cause she not in a nothing with you. 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 Hadata Madio Marcia. She not in a nothing with you. Nothing with you. No in a nothing with you. Planka Bass in a nothing with you.
Alright. Just talk. Just make them know why. We make them know what happened to God. Him and a God, why are you forcing him to tell you that you better than everybody else? No, you ain't better than anybody else. You ain't richer than anybody else. You ain't sexy and hotter than anybody else. You want that man because him say my God, not because him say Mr. Man.
You know what burn me too? The woman in a country depend on her case night and day. Night and day. As me say when me go do that video, yeah, she crying Marcia depend live. And a Dana she a talk about. Right? When me look, the it down a country depend live. And a she the video, the live title about. And a she the woman a talk about. But yet still, you put all the attention on somebody when not talking about you. Somebody when I remember you. You understand? Somebody where I keep something and focus on keeping where them I keep. You understand? Whether she going to earn a big profit from it or she going to earn a small profit from it because the same so TV, me hear her talk about if you notice she say, like she try to say there is no profit from this. And wait, Dana don't tell you already. If she draw a level, she not a problem. It's like putting on something elegant to meet and greet our US-based supporters who want to see her so badly over the years. But the thing is, she put it on at a cost so they can help subsidize whatever she going to spend, despite she come up with her personal cash to go ahead. Unlike you, Marcy and T girl, we sit down and so now bake or now sell this and sit and depend on pre-sold, pre-order. For the people, their money for coming on our account, coming on Western Union, MoneyGram, you understand whether Zelle, or whatsoever, they take it and go buy the product, they come back and sell the people them. No, that wasn't 99 intention. 99 take a raw cash and do what she do with the expectation of the Planka Nation support to come back by supporting the event in buying their ticket. You understand? So they would be a part of the subsidizing, you understand, of funds. So Dana put in say 50,000 US dollar. If she not come out with 70 and she come out back with her 50, she not have no problem. You understand? As the Planka bar, she just want to put on something in an elegant fashion so people can come meet and greet in a comfortable environment and a nice space settings. Nobody now squeeze up on them something there. And if she probably fall short of even 5,000, I don't think it's still going to be any problem. So I don't think she's going into this for making a real profit, but just to know that she meet and greet probably our biggest fan base. You understand what I say? Simple as that. Unlike you, we come out come saying about did I do your gala for no profit and whatsoever with your liar self. You understand? Because how can you feel for money and the money push in front of you and you use your hand and push you away? I it you feel fine, you know? And it push in front of you and you push you away? No. And you feel for money up to when you keep your gala, before you keep your gala, and after your gala, you still feel for money. So much things happen to you where finance is concerned after that the gala then.
God, I'm a human being. We is sinner and come short of the glory of God every day. Him no special money, nobody is just
Special.
because every people all out there when a pastor more holier than your pastor. Your pastor has been doing wrong. One of the things that he has been doing, accepting money from you that you know you didn't earn properly. Because not all money that you have donated to him come from your cake. That was one thing. When I hear him come and part.
Come tell the public where the money come from. Come tell the public, otherwise some donors who might reach out to bless Mr. Eliston and from fear cake. Not just cake. Remember, it's not just cake she selling. You know. She sell t-shirts, she sell cakes, she sell what you call the cosmetic jewelries and stuff like that. Come on, Marcia. But we know what you're trying to say. But come out with the evidence and your proof, because this is an allegation, you know. And mine, you have to come prove it, you know, Marcia. Remember, quote a loom over your head.
Participate in giving back to his communities or even try to involve and push you to be more what is it? Progressive
Bite your
activity
tongue,
in your
man.
community. Look at that man, Burger. Look at Burger on Mother's Day. Where you should be doing. Big up to Burger. Him going to Mountain View, same place in the Mountain View. And you never know say Burger was doing that. And Burger go out there in the middle of the road and put up tent and
What kind of Migla road? You have a little lane where you live on, a little stretch where you live on. Everybody will live on the stretch and participate in whatever happen. So it is no problem for you to block the road. And remember now, this is not a main road. You understand? Them the little community road there you can't do anything. Once everybody is okay with it, you do anything. No police, no terrorization can go on. And what you got to talk about now? She don't even know if Burger do something. What she need? When she do not the Burger know if she do something? Eh? When she do what she do over the years, Burger know if she do nothing? She asks Burger if he come do nothing for her. Burger do one little one-off something where him and him brother and other people put together and do. And it come compare with 99 with. We have done so much since, me them not go way back, since Christmas until now. How much give back you say 99 has done since Christmas until now? Eh? Tell me, how much give back? Even just recently from our pudding sale. Hey, me I tell you not dangerous, you know. 99 just can't do nothing at all for please, you know. Everything she do a wrong bang. And all when time she do 100 things. A man come and do one thing. I want to use that one thing there and overshadow the 100 thing what she do. And point out the one little digga time or digga thing what the person do. You can't come and point out what Burger do.
And the community
One
come
half something.
together. Which is it? You could have done that also. You could have taken your big driveway.
So, in a Christmas when Dana take the big driveway and buy how much thousands of dollars worth of groceries. What you not take and buy not even give your family. Because me never even hear you pack a bag and say you send go give CJ for him and Romy yet. You understand? When she take her driveway and buy this whole ton load of grocery at Rushmore and I give away to the whole lane and people all about. Where were you? You were right there. But why? You overlook it. Burger look 1/2 Mother's Day sitting, you take it and overshadow all of that.
If you were loved and people accept you, you could have done the same thing. Go put the chairs them in front of your big driveway where you take over government property. And you could have get some little chair and even invite
You don't take over no property at all, whether government, your own, private or public.
And then I was so inspired by it when I saw those people. They took water bottle and them.
Yeah, you're not inspired by nothing what Dana do. Feeding the homeless. I mean, me not talk about donation money now, you know. Me I talk about from our pocket, from our business. You're not inspired by nothing about that from Christmas leading up to now. Remember, you know, 2 of them are back to back, you know, Valentine, pudding season. Valentine and February. Pudding season are just last week. And you're not inspired by none of that. But inspired by the 1/2 something where Burger Man come do.
Spray it and put the flowers
Yo,
in, and they have a
the
little
A
street block off the road.
is
Put a block off
real.
here, look, get a lane too.
The
Right in front of
it is real. Shalama Shunda. Akalabatita Lamruta.
20 persons or 30 persons could have walk
It's
right in
real.
front of their house and do it. And to see that Burger did that, I glad Burger are the best thing ever do. Me say me glad they never come to her. Because should have take all the credit. Should have take all the credit for that wonderful community Mother's Day that you have given back with all everybody come together. Me glad.
Dana
say
give
never
back
go
to
her.
Mountain View for over 5
Me
years.
glad.
I never
say
come
never
out
go
come
to
say you're
her.
glad for Dana give back to
And
Mountain View.
serve
But
them
one time you see
for
Burger do something.
because you wouldn't stop here
Ding
to
dang
see
has give
this
back to
and
Mountain
how she
View
did that and how she did this.
for a whole heap of years and you know come out
Me not
and praise ding dang.
when I saw a glimpse of it about maybe 2 seconds. Out of page me I watch it man. I
But
scroll
you y'all
back
look
in page.
content and you want
I
to
scroll up
compete.
for heaven. I have
You
to
want
watch
people
it,
to in a
the
competition
original.
with the woman
When me
where
saw
she's
the little
way
2
above.
second clip of it,
Right now, if you interview Burger Man, him gonna tell you say don't compare with 99. Him gonna embarrass you. If you forget an interview with Burger Man right now, Better you just compliment him of what he has done. But don't try no comparison with him at 99. Because I'm going to embarrass you. Because I'm going to tell you, say, you can't compare him at 99. 99 is way ahead of him. When 99 I do, him can't do. Try get an interview with him, Marcia. Marcia, try get an interview with Berger. And see if him not flap you. I just content you looking at you try put down whatever the woman do, you know.
I talk to the man like that. How you come to talk to man like that? You're a gangster. He come like say you rule the man. You look like say the way you talk to the man and control. It's like you control Mr. Eliston. Me not call him the pastor. He come like say the power where you talk to that man. If Sunday church a keep and you sit down and do your live. And you don't want to hear no church noise in your background. You look like say if you go out and tell them, say, listen, Pastor Eliston, me I beg you tap the music right now, coming up on my live. Him have it happy. That's how me see it. Anybody see?
All them look at something there you sit down and watch. You so wanna find time to watch the woman. She's very, very important. For real. But she no big deal. She's a real deal. She important. That you can sit down and watch. Because where do you know? You sit down now and watch, you know. Through sometimes the woman is on her live. And she say, turn down that for me now, me on my live. Me I do one live, me I do one interview. Tell now laugh to turn down the music so little for me now. Yeah. Tell them over the bar there so to turn down the music. That you are try come out with now, you know. But if Pastor Eliston a preach and a play and you're on your live, you don't want to tell him. Say to turn down the noise a little bit. For sure no deep when you sit down and admire this woman. You understand? And then when you try it off on your own to do certain things that don't work, when you come out and make it look like a she cause things in work for Uno. I want to do in a life, man. And continue to do in a life. I want to do in the past, I want to do in the present now. God not like ugly. So I'm not going to prosper and nothing I want to try and do. Just hand to mouth. We're not going to end up reach a stage where it moves from hand to mouth, where hand can't reach mouth. It stop right at mouth, so hand can't reach mouth. No prosperity for you, because I'm not glad for nobody.
Give me some star people and give me some super chat.
You know, just beg where you come out of a beg, man.
Me forget to return and back the hello.
Here, she lock off the speaker and must one of the page she have and say it's not until you reach 100 before you can hear me. I say.
So I better make sure I say by YouTube we don't come with the same number. So me turn up, me forget to
too late shall be your cry. Too late shall be your cry.
So me I say to myself, say, the way you talk to the man.
You want to make money out of social media too late.
Him too rass, licky. I am here to tell you this Sunday evening, Mr. Eliston.
When you take your friend money at Aruba, when you take winter money, pastor money, this year money, that the money, no licky. Why you never refuse the $1,000 when the pastor gave it? May God rest her soul in peace. The girl at Aruba, why when time she give you her money and her things, you never refuse it? Why when winter give you money and carry all about, you never refuse it? But Pastor Eliston for refuse whatever blessing him get. Okay, because you alone for survive in a life. You pass licky. You pass licky.
From a church at Jamaica, you're too licky, me tell you last time I warn you.
You pass licky and reach a sucky. Not licky, sucky.
How you expect the other church sisters them in your church to feel, knowing that any pastors or committees that you form in your church? How you expect when you're growing at a yard and she giving you all the money there? Do you share it with the congregation? I don't think so.
Yo!
Special
You're
favor.
concerned
How
bad.
you feel to know that you have members in the church who are speaking in tongues and come to church every Sunday?
You're very
Cleaning up the
concerned.
church. Have she ever come there and volunteer to sweep up a church? No. Have she ever come there and participate in anything, even for sing? And all this time, sir, you coming up and praying for this woman. and making portraying like this a woman that was a member of the church when a member of the church when she was a member of the warm bench as a sinner. Eh? All this time, I said what into darkness must comes into light. All this time, she was just a member of warm in your bench.
You know, you kind of mix up. You sure say all this time she's a member of Warm in your bench. Did she ever come one day and help to sweep up the churchyard? Remember now it's Pastor Eliston she talking about, you know. I don't think Pastor the last time I hear that him I did like him take over one church. We don't almost one long man far country. But wonder if she's mixing up Pastor Eliston. Cause she sound confused, yeah, so. And it's like just content. Because all of the questions she asks, yeah, so, you have to wonder if she talk than a pastor with the church where she go, or Pastor Eliston. It's two different pastors, lady. Take time to understand and know where you come out, you come talk about. Before you come out, you come talk. Because you're going to say, Dana want Pastor Eliston bench. Pastor Eliston have a church that Dana goes to? I don't know. You might know more than me. But you're a bit confusing. But you ain't a fool and we understand. And when anything you go on a planka shop, we know that. Anything you go on a planka shop, we know that. So from the come out in the public, we know. And if you never depend on the live and something go on, you notice and somebody come in and come on a live and something I talk about, all them have to say, what me miss? And everything come out there. You understand? So, me don't know if Dana ever go to a church where Pastor Eliston there or operate on a one bench. Pastor Eliston come to her church. Whoa!
And was not a member of the church. And you come up here and fool the people as if it's right.
She was not a member of your church. Dana did tell you say she's a member of Pastor Eliston church. Did Pastor Eliston tell you that Dana is a member of his church? I wonder if you don't understand what I say, yes or no. You should just say, she a mix up the whole thing. You understand? Pastor Eliston is not Dana pastor for the church that Dana goes to. So go get your facts straight now, lady. Before you come out here on social media, come talk crap in front of people when know it all.
This girl was baptized and a guana so and she never been baptized. This is beyond fraud. None we put in the piece together. Eh?
So she are blaming Pastor Eliston wrongfully, you know. She are blaming Pastor Eliston wrongfully.
Like she was a Christian because when people see you as a Christian,
this is a fraud because Pastor Eliston know that she never baptized at him church. And she come out here, come pretend like she's a Christian. You never know say a Pastor Eliston church Dana go.
And as I tell you, Satan love when time when I play with God like that.
That's why I'm deal with you, so.
Love when time when I mock God like that.
That's why I'm deal with you, so.
God like that, what happened? Satan is going to bless you. So you see like 99 blessing where she get it not come from God. It not come from God. That's why a little blessing when I get behind closed door. When God open doors for me, I feel appreciate them. Because guess me tell you something.
That's why all of them little blessing the way you get come from the devil. And that's why I carry so much disgrace behind it. Yeah. That's why I carry so much social media disgrace behind it, man. I know God get that from, man. Stop blame God for everything, man.
When them come in at the right time. I mean, I have to be in a mother bad pan. I have to call pan the pastor. I have to call pan the deacon. I have to dash the salt. The song does a ritual. It just comes.
And you do it so much in your house, on a site.
God send the right people in my life.
You do it so much like it's just content you do. When it's something serious. You see, that's why so much bad luck take you.
God people them have to suffer. Them have to go through the wilderness. And that is the reason why I know so me I get fight out here. Because I know me special. Because every day I have to go through the wilderness.
Pressure.
Class me out here seminar I have nothing. But when I look to the east and I look to the west, and when me want something, and God said, yes, I am coming to give it to you without nobody now to pray for me. Him just said.
And so much struggles and heartache. And the devil give you that, man. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. Bless upon yourself. Love the whole on all. You know, do what you have to do. Shalom shunde kalamata. Move. The old demon, yo. Move. That's a malata. A kalamaluta baluta baluta. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, people, Life with Gabby and Chevy, Tamika Douglas TV, the two of them in my community. You don't have to go search them now. In my comment section, just hit the link, the blue writing, that's the link. Hit it and hit the subscription. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Wanna look good on the thumbnail? Wanna look on the thumbnail? Look on the thumbnail. Junker spirit, bad mind spirit. Look on the thumbnail.